Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to round decimals to the nearest tenths. So let's start. So what is meant by rounding a number? Rounding a number means to convert the number to its closest desired value. To its closest desired value. So rounding a number means to convert the number to its closest desired value. And we use this symbol to indicate that a number has been rounded. We use this symbol to show that the number has been rounded. And what is meant by this symbol? This symbol means that the number is approximately equal to. It is approximately equal to. Not exactly equal to, but approximately equal to. So it is really important to show this symbol when you are rounding a number. So now let's take a closer look at the decimal places in number 23.46. So what is the place of the digit 6? Is it ones or tens? What is the place of this digit 6 in this number? I told you before that after decimal point, we have decimal part. And before decimal point, we have whole number part. So now tell me, what is the place of this digit 6 in this number? The rightmost place after the decimal point is, it is tenths. After tenths, we have hundreds. We have hundreds. We have hundreds. And before decimal point, we have the first place is ones, and then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, and so on. So the rightmost place after the decimal point is tens. After that, we have hundreds, we have thousands, we have 10,000, and so on. And before the decimal point, we have ones, we have tens, then we have hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, and so on. So don't forget to write the places whenever you are rounding a number. Let's move on. Okay, so when we are rounding a number, there are rules to follow. And what are the rules? The first rule says, this is the first rule, and the first rule says that if the digit in the hundreds place, in which place? Hundreds place. Don't forget which place, hundreds or tens. Whenever we are rounding a number to tens place, we are rounding to the tens place, then we have to focus on the hundreds place. If the digit in the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, greater than 5 means 6, 7, 8, or 9. So if the digit in the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we will round up. We will round up. Okay, so this was the first rule, that if the digit in the hundreds place, in which place hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, we will round up. Greater than 5 means 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay, so this was the first rule. Let's talk about the second rule. So the second rule says that if the digit in which place? In the hundreds place. Don't forget the place. So if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, not greater than 5. If less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. So if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, what will we do? We will round up or down or round down. We will round down. We will round down. So if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, we will round down. So let's revise. If the digit in the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, we will round up. Means 6. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we will round up. In which place? Hundreds place. And if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, means 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, we will round down. Okay, so now let's move on. Let's now apply what we have learned with some examples. So here is a number 89.74. 89.74. So first let's write the places. So before the decimal point we have the first place before the decimal point is ones. Then before ones we have tens. Okay, so after the decimal point, what is the place after the decimal point? The rightmost place after the decimal point was tens and then hundreds. Okay, so now look at the digit in the tens place. Look at the digit in the tens place. It is 7. And check the digit in the hundreds place. 4. Okay. So, is 4 less than 5, greater than 5, or 5? Yes. Is 4 less than 5, greater than 5, or 5? It is less than 5. So this means that we will round up or down. We will round down. Because the rule was that if the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, we will round down. However, if the digit in the hundreds place is greater than 5 or 5, means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we will round up. So, it is less than 5, so we will round down. So now let's round this number to the nearest tenth. Don't forget to show the symbol. So now what will be the answer? It will be 89.70. 70. Don't forget to change the digit after the tens place to 0. However, 89.70 is same as 89.7. 89.7 because here 0 is not having any value. So 89.70 is same as 89.7. It's your choice whether you have to write 89.70 or 89.7. So now let's move on and solve another example. Okay, so here we are having 32.68. 32.68. So first step is to write the places. So before the decimal point, what was the place before the decimal point? It was ones and then tens. Okay, and after the decimal point, the first place is tenth. It is tens. And after it we have hundreds. Okay, so now look at the digit in the tens place. Look at the digit in the tens place. What is the digit in the tens place? It is 6. And look at the digit in the hundreds place. It is 8. So will we round up or down? First, identify, is it less than 5? Is it greater than 5 or 5? Of course, it is greater than 5. So will we round up or down? We will round up. Why? Because the rule says that if the hundredths digit is greater than 5, we will round up, and if it is less than 5, we will round down. So now let's round this number. Don't forget to show the symbol. It will be 32.70. Why 70? Because when we round up, we will add plus 1 to the tens place. However, when we are rounding down, we will not add 1 or we will not subtract 1 in the tens place. It will remain the same. But when we are rounding up, we will add 1 to the tens place. However, the rest of the digit will be 0. We will change them into 0. So 32.68, this means that 32.68 when rounded to the nearest tenth is 32.70. So now let's move on and solve another example. Okay, so here is another example. 76.93. We have to round this number to the nearest tenth. So first step is to write the places. So before the decimal point, what is the place before the decimal point? Ones, tens, and hundreds, and thousands, and so on. And after the decimal point, the rightmost place after the decimal point is tenth. It is tens. Then hundreds. Okay. So look at the tens digit. Look at the tens digit. It is 9. Okay, check the hundreds digit. Check the hundreds digit. It is 3. So, will we round up or down? Yes, we will round down. Why? Because the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5. It is less than 5. So the rule was that if the digit is less than 5, we will round up or down. We will round down. So let's round this number to the nearest tenth. Don't forget to show the symbol. It will be 76.90, or you can write as 76.9. It is same. There is no difference in 76.90 and 76.9. Let's move on. How will we round this now? Okay, so here is another example, 32.68. How can we round this to the nearest tenth? What is the first step? First step is to write the places. This place is ones, tens. After the decimal point we have tens. After the tens we have hundreds. Okay, so look at the tens digit. How many tens are there? 6. And the hundreds digit? It is 8. So will we round up or down? We will round up. Why? Because the hundreds digit is greater than 5. It is greater than 5. And the rule was that if the hundreds digit is greater than 5, what will we do? We will round up. We will round up. So let's round this number. Don't forget to show the symbol. So now it will be 32.70. 32.70. So here is another number, which is 76.93. It is 76.93. So let's write the places first. Before the decimal point, ones, tens, and after tens. Then hundreds. Okay, so look at the tens digit. How many tens are there? 9. And how many hundreds are there? 3. So will we round up or down? Will we round up or down? we will round down. Why? Because the hundredths digit is less than 5. Hundredths digit is less than 5. And the rule was that if the hundredths digit is less than 5, we will round down. We will round down. So let's round this number to the nearest tenth. It will be 76.90. So now let's move on. Okay, so here is another example. So first step is to write the places. This will be ones, tens, and after the decimal point, tens, and after it, hundreds. So look at the tens digit. How many tens are there? 8. And hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 5. So the rule was that if the digit in the hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, so we will round up or down, up. So let's round this number. It will be 68.90. 68.90. So this means that 68.85 and rounded to the nearest tenth is 68.90. Or you can say 68.9. Both are same. Let's move on. Here is a number 19.89. 19.89. So first let's write the places. Ones, tens, and after the decimal point, the first place is tens, and after it, hundreds. So how many tens are there? 8. And how many hundreds? 9. So the rule was that if the hundreds digit is greater than 5, we will round up. We will round up. So let's round this number to the nearest tenth. It will be, don't forget to show the symbol. So this will be 19.90. Why 90? Because when we round up, we add 1 to the 10th digit. We add 1 to the 10th digit when we are rounding to the nearest tenth. When we are rounding to the nearest tenth. So now let's solve another example. Here is number 97.93. 97.93. So first let's write the places. Before the decimal point we have ones and tens. After it, the first place is, after decimal point, the first place is tenth, and after it, hundreds. So look at the tens digit. Look at the tens digit. How many tens are there? 9. And check the hundreds digit. 3. So the rule was that if the hundreds digit is less than 5, we will round down, and if the hundreds digit is 5 or greater than 5, we have to round down. So what will we do? We will round up or down. Is hundreds digit greater than 5, less than 5, or 5? It is less than 5. So this means that we will round down. So let's round this number to the nearest tenth. It will be 97.90. Or you can say 97.9. They both are same. And will we add 1 to the 10th digit? No. Why? Because the number has been rounded down. If we are rounding up, then we will add 1 to the 10th digit when we are rounding to the 10th place. Okay, try to round this number 54.86 to the nearest tenth and write the answer in comments. I hope you understand how to round decimals to the nearest tenth. Jazakallah khair.